What if the coldest, most isolated place on Earth held secrets that could rewrite history and challenge science itself? Antarctica may seem like a frozen wasteland, but beneath its ice lies a world full of astonishing mysteries, from ancient skulls and lost ships to alien rocks and forgotten creatures. Let's uncover 7 discoveries that stun the scientific world. Number 1. The mysterious skull of Cape Shiref. In 1985, Chilean biologist Dr. Daniel Torres stumbled upon something truly eerie while studying marine life on Cape Shiref, Antarctica. He noticed a strange white rock among dark volcanic stones. But it wasn't a rock, it was a human skull. Later tests revealed it belonged to a young woman from southern Chile, likely in her early 20s. Even more puzzling, DNA analysis of nearby bone fragments confirmed they were hers too. How did her remains end up in such a remote and frozen region where women rarely traveled in the early 1800s? Researchers found no tools, clothing, or documents to explain her presence. Some experts believe she may have been part of a secret expedition long before Antarctica's official discovery. Others think sealers or explorers could have brought her remains there accidentally. This lone skull raised chilling questions about early human contact with the continent and whether history's timeline of Antarctic exploration might be off by decades. Number 2. The Martian meteorite that changed everything. In 1996, NASA scientists announced a discovery that made headlines worldwide. A meteorite found in Antarctica might contain evidence of ancient life on Mars. This space rock, officially named ALH 84001, was over 4 billion years old. When examined under powerful microscopes, researchers spotted strange chemical traces that looked like fossilized microbes. For a moment, the world believed we had proof of alien life, but further analysis brought skepticism. Later studies revealed those carbon-rich marks might have formed through natural chemical reactions rather than biological activity. Still, the meteorite's journey is incredible. It endured at least 3 massive impacts on Mars before one final collision sent it hurtling toward Earth. Once it landed in Antarctica, the freezing environment preserved it perfectly for thousands of years until scientists found it. Even though we still don't have solid proof of Martian life, this icy rock forever changed how scientists search for life beyond Earth, pushing them to look deeper, both on Mars and in other corners of the universe. Number 3. The Antarctic Pyramid Mystery. In the middle of Antarctica's vast frozen landscape stands a mountain that sparked endless conspiracy theories. Known as the Pyramid, this perfectly shaped peak rises from the Ellsworth Mountains, the continent's tallest mountain range, stretching nearly 250 miles. At first glance, it looks like a man-made pyramid buried in snow, fueling wild ideas about ancient civilizations, hidden alien structures, and secret military bases. However, scientists quickly cleared up the mystery. The pyramid isn't a structure at all. It's a natural mountain whose shape is the result of erosion and the way ice carved through rock over millions of years. Its sharp, symmetrical look is simply nature's incredible design. But this discovery wasn't entirely meaningless. It reminded researchers of how Antarctica hides more than we imagine. Mountains taller than the Alps, entire valleys buried under ice, and even lakes sealed off for millions of years. The pyramid may not be an alien monument, but it symbolizes something even more awe-inspiring: how the forces of nature can create wonders that look too perfect to be real. Number 4. Ancient tools emerging from melting ice. When a 10,000-year-old hunting tool emerged from melting ice near Yellowstone National Park, scientists couldn't believe their eyes. This discovery, though not directly in Antarctica, revealed something about frozen environments worldwide. They act as time capsules. The tool, a 3-foot-long dart made from birch wood, had been used with a weapon called an atlatl, which allowed ancient hunters to throw it farther and faster. Researchers kept the find secret for a year to prevent treasure hunters from disturbing the site. They later revealed that melting glaciers worldwide, including in Antarctica, are exposing ancient tools, plant remains, and even long-lost animals. In Antarctica, similar melting events have revealed perfectly preserved moss beds, ancient lake sediments, and traces of past ecosystems. These finds are helping scientists understand how early life adapted to extreme cold. They also warn us of what's at stake as global temperatures rise. Because as ice melts, Earth's forgotten stories are resurfacing, piece by piece, from the past. Number 5. The giant plesiosaur of Seymour Island. Antarctica isn't just home to penguins and seals. It once hosted gigantic sea monsters. In 1989, paleontologists on Seymour Island unearthed fossilized remains of a 36-foot-long creature that resembled the legendary Loch Ness Monster. It was a plesiosaur, a marine reptile with a long neck, 4 massive flippers, and a body weighing about 15 tons, as heavy as 2 elephants. The excavation wasn't easy. The fossils were trapped in hard rock, and scientists had to make 3 separate expeditions to collect all 1,760 pounds of bones. When the fossils were finally studied, researchers discovered that the vertebrae were fused together, meaning this plesiosaur was fully grown. This ancient beast swam the icy seas about 70 million years ago, long before Antarctica froze over. It lived just 30,000 years before the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. The discovery proved that Antarctica was once warm and full of thriving life. The continent we see today as frozen and lifeless was once a vibrant ocean world filled with colossal creatures. Number 6. The lost ships of Captain Franklin. In 1845, Captain John Franklin set sail from England with 2 ships, the HMS Erebus and HMS Terror, and 133 crew members. Their mission? To find the fabled Northwest Passage that would link Europe and Asia through Arctic waters. But soon after they departed, the ships vanished without a trace, becoming one of the greatest maritime mysteries in history. For nearly 170 years, explorers searched the icy north for clues. They found scattered tools, haunting notes, and tales from Inuit people who spoke of ghostly ships trapped in ice. Finally, in 2014, Canadian scientists discovered the wreck of the Erebus in Wilmot and Crampton Bay. 2 years later, they located the Terror, 45 miles away, perfectly preserved in icy water. Inside the cabins, archaeologists found dishes, journals, and personal belongings, small windows into the crew's final, desperate days. Though the ships weren't found in Antarctica itself, they revealed how deadly and mysterious polar expeditions could be. These frozen time capsules now help us understand the human cost of exploring Earth's coldest frontiers. Number 7. The 1,700-year-old sandal and ice. In 2019, a hiker exploring the mountains of Norway found something strange sticking out of a melting ice patch, an old leather sandal. When archaeologists examined it, they discovered it was about 1,700 years old, dating back to the Iron Age. The team rushed to the site before the snow buried it again, and soon they uncovered other objects, including Viking-age horse manure and ancient textiles. So why does this matter to Antarctica? Because it shows what can happen when glaciers melt. They reveal pieces of human history long hidden by time. Scientists believe Antarctica may hold similar treasures waiting under its thick layers of ice, tools, fossils, and maybe even evidence of early human visitors. The Norwegian find also gave archaeologists insight into ancient trade routes that once crossed icy mountain passes. In the same way, future Antarctic discoveries might rewrite what we know about ancient travel, migration, and exploration. Each artifact that reappears from melting ice isn't just an object. It's a message from the past, from mysterious skulls to sea monsters, from alien meteorites to vanished explorers. Antarctica continues to prove it's far more than just a frozen desert. So what do you think the next big Antarctic discovery will be? Ancient humans, lost civilizations, or something completely unexpected? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring these icy mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from our incredible planet. We will see you in the next one.